I'm going to show you exactly how you can start a new stream of income being a freelance writer on Medium. Medium is a platform that allows freelance writers to upload articles on a variety of different topics. You can find anything on Medium, and oftentimes you may see Medium articles creep their way into your phone's newsfeed. This platform allows you, much like a YouTube channel, to get your content monetized and pays you according to how many readers view your stories. Once you have reached 100 followers, then you may join the Medium Partner Program. It took me about 2 months in order to get my Medium account monetized, and I was able to do this without actually writing any new pieces of content. Instead, what I did is I took my YouTube videos and I had a team of assistants generate transcripts and then adapt those transcripts into blog posts. We implemented stock photos, activated some links, and all of my pre-existing YouTube content was quickly modified and uploaded as freelance on Medium. Now I have a long way to go on Medium before this becomes a profitable stream of additional income, but I want to show you what I earned my first month of being a monetized Medium publisher. July was my first month being monetized on the Medium platform, and I had created 31 articles. Of those 31 articles, I only set 4 of them to be monetized. This means that those 4 articles sit behind a paywall, and only those who pay for a Medium membership can read those articles, thus resulting in a payout each time one of those articles associated with that paywall is read. Because I'm still focused on growing the number of followers that I have, I only chose these 4 most popular articles that were really getting a lot of views to sit behind the paywall. So you can see here that in total, those 4 monetized stories earned me a whopping $7.11 in my first month of being monetized. Now, there's a lot of room for growth here. This is just the start of this additional stream of income. So for those of you looking for a new way to generate additional income, consider repurposing your content or creating articles on Medium for monetization.